Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to create an Windows 10 USB bootable pen drive. So we need two things, which is Windows 10 ISO file and Power ISO. Power ISO is a software guys. It is the best and simple software to create Windows 10 bootable USB pen drive. And you have to at least 8 GB of pen drive. Okay, it is required for Windows 10. So let's open Power ISO. Click on continue as unregistered. Go to tools, select create bootable USB drive. Click on OK, click on yes, give it a permission, continue as unregistered. So you can see the pen drive has selected automatically. It's a 16 GB Sony. So now we have to select Windows 10 ISO file. It is here. Click on it and select it and click on open. So check and let's click on start. Everything is okay. So guys, it's going to take half an hour, maximum 30 minutes depending how your computer is fast. So I will fast forward this video to save the time, so don't confuse it. While it's creating USB drive, it will fluctuate the time, you can see, so don't confuse. See, it's almost completed. So don't confuse, I have fast forwarded this video. See guys, if you want to know how to download Windows 10 ISO file officially and safe and secure, I can make a video on that. So don't worry guys, if you have any doubt about this video, you can comment below in the section, and the software links are given in description box. Go and download them. We need to wait. So you can see almost it's done 99% at the top. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Mile Over Craft. See guys, writing USB drive completed successfully. Click on OK. Close this menu. Close that one also and refresh once again. Go to this PC. You can see. Bye.